new patriotic party, you're from MPP. They went to internal elections. And after the internal elections, and I want to take you back. Now, if you look at the 2024 elections, now prior to the 2024 elections, now internal elections course in 2023. Now, and before the elections, now I'm a catcher, me say, and some baby see, and the kind of utterances and comments from people, because they are not ready, they are not willing to sacrifice and show commitment and dedication to the new patriotic party. And Kwabena no me aspirant to me candidates. And Kwabena me very influential in the new patriotic party. And in some cause they said to themselves that and send you away they are not willing and ready to project the new patriotic party. And to why I say, oh, obi buafu, obi nya ready, edo so obi nya na so be campaign and sanumano. Me say political party ba ko munsuade is the new patriotic party. They don't learn. Always kwa hit a problem no. And always hit a problem new year. Normal busy basano. They want to solve the problem, have solutions to the problem, whereby it will be too late. Now it's too late. Me say can a friend kono a trend mutual actually no kweba akope. Today, I'm going to unveil so many things to people. Wow, assembly me can no I care less about how people feel and think about me. The truth is always a better pill. No kweba akope. So if you speak the truth, people have issues with you. Obu ha mpewasa, obu obe pewasem, obu obe ka say there be uye dede, obu ka just say wo shout there be no kweba akope. Naturally, sana metie. Sana me kasa. And whereby I'm addressing serious matters, serious issues, you see me to be more serious. The new patriotic party goes to internal elections. And I want to take you back. In 1992, the new patriotic party goes to internal elections. There be no more same way. And Abana Akoto Yakra no, Yakra Yankwanko to Aba, a man for and hold it up. And I say Kwaku and I already did Aduboye Janis uncle, no matter flag bearer for the new patriotic party. It is never ever true. Aduboye was competed. Omo tuaba no Aduboye na wene Dr. Selby Tosumi and I already did J.A. Akufo Tosumiensa and a chronicle bar down where. Now, Omoto Abaniwe, no, Ora Yefen Aduboye was a flag bearer presidential candidate of the new patriotic party. And at that time, he was a professor. Let's go back. In 1990, so I can't be a professor, don't any packet wow. Or bimfo, be our bin or tin mase. And if you look at Aduboye, open it back when was soon at the ultimate direction count. So if you look at the internal elections of the new patriotic party, Aduboye over 1,000 votes. Dr. Selby Tosumi, and we have J. Akufo Tosumiensa. Now, J.A. Akufo at that material moment, let's not forget, MPP founder catch was a Yefrebi Buzia Dombo, Dankwa tradition. So at that time, if you look at J.A. Akufo, he was linked to the Buzia fasten, the Buzia camp. Because Buzia was that time the prime minister, he made J.A. Akufo a minister, and that time he was a young minister. Whether deputy or substantive minister, he was a minister. And the J.A. Akufo Yobia, or did the friend Buzia Nase. Open nipa ba kwa J.A. Akufo hold in high esteem. Already friend Buzia. Me a wenchini. So I know what I'm talking about. Mahu J.A. Akufo waba wenchi bebre. No kwa pema o Buzia Naso. Na wa she and said Yaguso. What the Buzia sasabe, you what drew on a bra boom piano. Buzia played an instrumental role. And Madika said the new patriotic party. Whether ideology, whether philosophy, whether understanding, whether I say a concordant, whether it's a reality, almost say they believe in a certain kind of tradition. Almost say Buzia Dankwa Dombo tradition. And if you look at the MPP, if you look at Buzia Fona, they be come see the Buzia people are linked to Nkwafo. They are coming from the southern part of Ghana, southern part Nefa. I'm talking about Asante region. Asante Nebuno Fono, they are always linked to the Buzia fashion. And the J.A. Akufo, go and check. When J.A. Akufo came into power, go and look at the kind of minister that he brought in as substantive ministers. The Anomufi Bunoba. No Mufi Bunoba. Go and look at local government. If you look at Obiti so Bribo and the Attorney General, the later days of J.A. Akufo, and if you look at J.A. Akufo, he's linked or correlated to the Dankwa, your friend said the Buzia fashion. Now, if you look at the Dankwa fashion, they are coming from the Achem. achemfo na ye na Nana Dankwa Akufo Addo mo gabby darko Asante Bediatuo mo the Eastern Bloc. Sa Eastern Bloc na Obakacho say a limited to a certain kind of people no. Omnia people who are coming from the Eastern region and in link to the Dankwa fashion. Now if you look at Omo from the Dombo fashion, they are hailing from the northern part of Ghana. And the northern part of Ghana near for Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia sang of whether the person whether in bloodline connected to the NPP or not. So Nippon is coming from the northern part of Ghana. We link the person to be a Dombo person. And I want to take you back. Go and listen to Sir John of blessed memory. Or say, if you look at the NPP, Buzia Fona Baba Bedi, Dankwa Fona Baba Bedi, after the do Dombo Fona, so be beyond who Mabedi watching it. And if you look at J. Akufo, he was coming from the balance of the Buzia fashion. J. Akufo in 1996 couldn't win power. But if you look at the performance rate of J. Akufo, the performance rate of J. Akufo appreciated. So, if you look at 2000 elections, the first round of the elections, the New Patriotic Party didn't win. Akufo, your friends say, already did J. Akufo got close to it. And they drew what I want me 50+1. We have to go for a runoff. And Ubenya UGM, Ubenya PNC, Ubenya PPP, other political parties coming together, trying to rescue and capture power from the NDC and give it to the MPP. And if you look at the J. Akufo, as smart as he is, and a politician from the beginning says that there be or no ba and Akufo born in Yinano, and they come from different political parties, you know, he's going to reward them. It will be the same Malam Isa or Kwen sports minister, won't send be. So if you look at the NPP, at that material moment, after 1992, no, and MPP went into the wilderness for long, whereby already a friend Buzia Kwechre, the NPP coming back into power was around 2001, and was coming from the Buzia faction. And the J. Akufo becomes the president of the Republic of Ghana in terms of political party, the New Patriotic Party. But if you look at the link, you know, is linked to the Buzia fashion. And I want to take you back. 1998, the NPP goes to internal elections with Sunyane. Before the elections, it was a strong contest between J. Akufo and another Dankwa Akufo Addo. Go and look at prominent people, big men. And Akufo Mukase wom. And Akufo very influential in the New Patriotic Party. That was in bed. That sit and eat and dine with another Dankwa Akufo Addo. Nipa ba kwa me kana sema Kwabena Agyapong. Kwabena Agyapong was a key actor and very instrumental in the campaign of another Dankwa. Now at that time, Adeba Kwana Are when he said, Uti Akufo Addo said banche dia kodwa so ayanto en sanfa nko banche dada ye to ayento. So Akufo Addo was giving J. Akufo a certain kind of bullet, went through the veins of already J. Akufo. J. Akufo becomes the flag bearer presidential candidate of the New Patriotic Party. Now it was a close contest. If you look at the elections, before the elections, during the elections, and after the election, the camp and the fashions and utterances by people. Now, I'm saying that hey, if you listen to Akufo Addo camp, no, and if you even listen to Oran and Friend J. Akufo come and watch it, for the first time, my dear friend Hilda Addo. Hilda Addo was a member of parliament for Kwadas. Was say Oran the former defense minister under J. Akufo Addo Kofo. Ninya pani J. Akufo so wan trouble ma J. Akufo. Asma make it. Hilda Addo was say J. Akufo nya moja ba akoko anto aba ma no. And me kaisa do Akufo so came out to say asema na wo ka no ma me ba akoma papa ba akoma, why do you make this kind of diabolic statement? And if you look at 1998 elections now, it was too serious and too damning. Now no say a man for punchy, a man for cancer bebre. But what about the J. Akufo won the elections. Now J. Akufo after winning the elections, extra say he's a politician. J. Akufo drove from his house to where Friend Dankwa Akufo Addo and take this. Assembly amika bia en kre. Now J. Akufo catch Akufo Addo say me nua no e fia ko nwa na ato ho ne ye kwa akopre. Na pre na ye kwa akopre no. Ye wie no. Fia won panyimfo nyina sa me lidia busua no. Ne ye ndimi nkɔ pa konwa ne mfamra. Ehu behia se me nua no. Obedi machi ne akwa ye campaign. Ne yetimi agye power ne de aba. This is J. Akufo engaging Owura Ndidi Nana Dankwa Akufo Addo in a private conversation. Only dim kumuni nyina wie ye no. Na Akufo Addo kas me no mienu nya de ba ko pe ne yepe de ne yepe. After say we went into the wilderness for a longer period. After I've said coup d'etat who do buy two ore fen buzia no, the NPP and the LLM ne de ben no, it has never come into power. So it is our core mandate and responsibility to bring the NPP into power. And at that time, J.A. Akufo Addo, whether for the cameras or it's not for the cameras, whether say no biakita diabolic intention or not, they thought about the interest and the welfare of the new patriotic party, capturing power and bring the NPP into power. That was their core mandate. And to omunya kambo mu ye no. And Owura Ndidi J.A. Akufo was able to win the elections for the NPP in 2001. Now take this. A hand that shows J.A. Akufo is a politician. After say J.A. Akufo win here, no, J.A. Akufo goes back into the house of Akufo Addo. And Akufo Addo koko di nkwa kaje samira. And Akufo Addo no key actors in your campaign. Whether we like it or not, we are in power. Me kwamint me nye. I know so I have people met me win power. I'm a baby the flag bearer. But the flag bearer, no, it is within the domain, the jurisdiction of the new patriotic party. See, any other party say to capture power. No, it will be all-inclusive government. Whereby so be a alani, or be a way, you'll be a way in Yanka and home. Then J. Akufo, any Akufo Addo dim komo, and all catch Akufo Addo say, and Akufo Addo me here mo, so my can't buy no money to my conquer. And Akufo Addo say, bo me nana. Mini apanyino, one na ben was so na number one. Wo na na dan Kwaku Akufo Addo. Wo na number one. Number one and they say, I want to make you a cabinet minister and a substantive minister. Isan say, I don't want that camp fashions no ho. Yenya jumanem build the Ghana build the party no. And no rare friend J.A. Akufo. Emma Owura Ndidi eden another dan Kwaku Akufo Addo a cabinet position. Let's not forget, Akufo Addo was the attorney general pen. Akufo Addo was the foreign minister pen. And open nipa baako if you look at still worship for ye na man for Bonabaswa, it was Akufo Addo. Take this. J.A. Akufo was able to identify the problem of the new patriotic party. He offered solutions to it. He executed it. He did it. Now, if you look at prior to 2008, at that time the NPP was desperate in breaking the 8. Mrs. says the 4th Republic. Abam bien what by breaking 8 neither. Owura Ndidi J.J. Rawlings wanted to do it. Went me anye. After so Kofa Owura Ndidi JEMS to be the vice president. Obiabe carried the soldier declaration. No Obian say Gusitano mom na eba. At that time the Gusitano was a special aide, a special assistant to J.J. Rawlings. He was a cadre. Obian himself near the neighbor. After Swedro, John Evans at Thomas from nowhere near Pejan inside. And among for Kaya, that brought a reform. Reform will send the NDC to opposition. Because Nkofo integral members of the NDC registered their displeasure by aligning themselves at the Ma Owura Ndidi Ere Gusitano. And so issues pop up. Now, if you look at the new patriotic party, and no more and always I say they don't learn. Open political party they take it to be too personal. They don't look at the merits and demerits of the matter. They don't attack the issue, they attack your personality. They don't look at the message, they look at the messenger is the MPP. They don't look at the substantive matter. Simple man. Simple man krana and maybe nin sama okika kanu no Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng and as idea young pussy as some now kanu. We don't look at the message. But the messenger ni pro dia assembly ban here. Or you pro Alan. Or you pro way, and they have a problem related to it. Today, I'm going to open the Pandora box. I don't care how the MPP will feel today. I want to open the Pandora box. And after opening the Pandora box, I say, Adeboku, Mumfa already dear friend Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, nin samna wakano. Then I want to go back and tell them something. Yen tells my Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia can tamo share MPP for there some of the two. Now, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, you saw me video no. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia di ni nkomo. Na ni nkomo na odi no. Or catch. Okay, yentie.
Finished the presidential primaries, and therefore, as I have been saying, and as I will continue to say and do, I don't see any factions amongst us. I only see the NPP. I don't see a Kennedy Agyapong faction. I don't see a Bawumia Campaign faction. I don't see an eviction faction. We are all one together. And so I want to promise you that I will not be in any situation where I'm going to push for the removal of any MP because they didn't support me. I'll never do that. I'll not do that. And nobody should do that in my name either. We are one family and we want to go together. And I want to make that very, very clear.
Bawumia talking. He is a flag bearer for the New Patriotic Party. Then he's telling them, sir, if you look at the New Patriotic Party, or many brave bring say they want to capture power, they want to wrestle it, and after capturing it, they'll form a government. And then I want to open the Pandora box. We MPP near, take this, a Ghana first. I don't care how you feel. I don't care how you think about me. The truth is always a better pen. No creba akupe. O can no crane any parliament me apewasem or china on pewasem. No creba akupe. I'm taking you back into 2023. Enyam me talking you. Say you just say this, and we don't have any fuss, we don't have any camp. I'll come and address it. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia and the NPP, they are not learning. And I will explain to you. Today, I will open the secret. Assembly make no crebiano minso. Assembly make no crebiano. The old team on say no crebiano say no crena maker. There be a come say, or be a bit when you're more than maybe if you look at a journalist. Now, who are they pan say when it comes to the breaking news of the NDC, need no. When it comes to the breaking news of the NPP, need no. Today, I want to open the box for the NPP. I want them to solve their problems. I'm taking you back. If you look at the New Patriotic Party, ahead of 2023 elections, and no 2024. So if you look at the internal premise of the New Patriotic Party, before the elections, nani pa ba kono bianim asani pa wedie. Oba weni abana fala Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. I want to state it on record. Say, nipa ba kwano bia wojide ni musa bia onya contest kwa Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Reason here say, if you look at the way was here carrying home as a vice president, let your objective and sincere. Edum na bia say Mahamadu Bawumia kwasa adwuma na onye biem. Yese Mahamadu Bawumia kwa ka asem kire Akufo Addo wonfa. If you look at already Ken Ofori Atta asem obeka bia final finito. And Mahamadu Bawumia is just a shadow vice president. And if you look at the constitution of Ghana, there's no an explicit portfolio and position for the vice president. And no cry when say vice president India as a boy, and I mean to me meet we come me, mean to me party we come. That is how it is. So always, if you look at the vice president, they are a subordinate to their superiors. The superior never can do the age, man. Now, prior to the 2024 elections, the 2023 one, under the internal premise of the MPP, Asama me say, and you'll be sick. Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong was not in the picture to be the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party. And then I want to open the box and tell you everything. Because my party, no, man, where you stay in opposition for more than 20 years. Because Munyano Debian comes in MPP, and Yansa 4 party. MPP party obia ni ho asebe na dwo fo wom da obia ni made obia bi obia ye lawyer obia ye say entasem ketua bi kwa ho mpe MPP fo nko ye fa de bi confusion bottom ebo ho si empresses a bottom na obia mpe. So if you look at the elections of course so Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong and Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia na call. Now at that time you have other names. But if you look at 2 people are not contesting almost your mummy. Kennedy after so mo to abani wie ye no asema me kan catches do ka bianka se Franco say today I'll give you the reason ma Kennedy compare Kwaku Agyapong be piem wo so ame no onya na dwen so oba so ame asema me kan me say nyo be say Kennedy compare Kwaku Agyapong be do true vine 9 a.m. 9 a.m. no be dru ye no omudi omkomu ye no kwatena basim one Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no mokoye. I want to state it on record. Akufo Addo and a friend Kennedy compare Kwaku Agyapong kan say minua me ka no credit akyerɛw sɛ wan kwan koye campaign am Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia na so Owusu elections na amount for the sobo ne bebo. Do you know why? Because Kennedy compare Kwaku Agyapong was having a problem with Mahamadu Bawumia in the camp no. Kennedy said you can do all the politics but some politics na ye edi di ya ire no atem edi making sure say we are going outside our jurisdiction. I have a problem with it. Kennedy said and nkofo mu ye campaign ma okeka ansam de ma wo no sa nkofo na di matem o ma di matem di me ire atem so I cannot stand on the same podium and do campaign with them. In the 2023 now last week me kai na Kennedy compare Kwaku Agyapong and NAPO mom na aye campaign enyo nwanwa said NAPO doesn't appear on the ballot paper. Mahamadu Bawumia mom na appear on the ballot paper but Kennedy compare Kwaku Agyapong opted to do campaign with NAPO. Debentia na nkofo ebe ore fe Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no ma decree ni yere atem ento banyo obi ete say how akumsi no awie no opare ansa no awie no adoma kuba fi no awie no na proud to this kind of elections omokoye no already a course wa Kennedy compare Kwaku Agyapong Phyllis and wabi course wa anya ne de anya ne yie ene sa de a ombebre take this assembly America bia ye Franco ne ka Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia wa ko Kennedy compare Kwaku Agyapong ho MPP for mo mpe no kore oni Kennedy atena se di nko aka nye se menua mesra bra na bebo no enya campaign asema mi kan kasa Franco say Kennedy aka che ne se me bobi so bo ame nyew asema mi kan tie wa se me mo asema mi kan sai tie me mo na mo obi so bo ame nyew asema ma kan modu. This is not the first time asema me kan samia okun si asema me kan kwase bo twani asema me kan. This is not the first time Mahamadu Bawumia akwa sia Kennedy compare Kwaku Agyapong a person ni di nko se bia Kennedy betimi aboa asema Mahamadu Bawumia kan na no is a good exercise but it should not be theoretical. Asema o kan na no ada no say the party no the interest and the larger picture of the party no odwen ho no kra. The primary responsibility of our friend Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia is to wrestle power against the NDC, capture power. I do my dear man, no. And to say they are no more in minority, almost some they want to be party in power and they want to govern. It's not an easy task. Doc, and yet easy. The NDC might have their problems. How do I do to problems with her? I said, Unkata, dear, or Erikopoku, dear, or already Eric your friend say Julius Zabra dear ho name the big men Allah bimo Joshua Allah bimo dear ho but the NPP party there's a confusion battle over there mom press ya mompe today I'm going to open the Pandora box. I can't let how people will feel today. Yeah me say Mahamadu Bawumia wa ko Kennedy fie me 2 times is not willing to stand on the same podium and do campaign with him. Last week me catch me say Temana Kennedy year campaign no nya dagin videos ni bi. So after him listening to the videos me say no be say what na konyam se no de nsa guniti o say ye awurade o tiensema na ekoso na no say Mahamadu Bawumia say they should not use my name. Enyam na make am. This is the flag bearer of the MPP. I'm taking him back. That day I was there. And the bia de ko kuka asem was a ade na start na so wan so anu no antu ase a eba benyini be dane ade bosom de siw so akwaso ofo jataba no ade jataba no a no anyini wan hwe obeche wan kasawe. This thing happened in 2023. Whereby Gofredame any abai fa kabo any nkofo ba wanchi eka se Albert Aremeyaw doesn't belong to the camp of Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Asem enya asem ketwa. Ewo wenji. And people say ni pon betuma ya adwuma mo man kwama ni nya adwuma no enya asem ketwa wo wanti mekai so mkoto aba okwa senior high school nipa ba ko no preferred candidate for the people Albert Amiel ne maame ene amabuzia brother memory woko omo say there be Kwadwo Fempon e de be man de bentia omo say and I want to say it again omo say abamu mpainfo allegation mbobo gofreda me mo ne mpainfo bebredin say omo firi wanchi ne say owura ni di ede ayi Albert Amiel wontimi ne Mahamadu Bawumia nya adwuma ene sade Kwadwo Fempon no mo pe enya asem kutwa wanchi enu so bia tese wo baabi bebre oh wow simple man there or dabi or belonging to this kind of camp yen ni nya adwuma dabi o mo de asem to Mahamadu Bawumia so dabi o ene Mahamadu Bawumia say na de na time say if look at 2023-2024 word by economy is to Jubilee House buafu ena Jubilee House buafu ukọ Jubilee House a omubuafu omo se obi odwini Mahamadu Bawumia nya adwuma bia no enya se man kwan ene sa no ma no that thing has eaten into the new patriotic party. Now it has come to stay. Mahamadu Bawumia, it's not the matter of theoretical talking. A practical action is a way. Hwɛ another no ka say open constituency ba ko jadama ejusu constituency ejusu MP Owusu moving from one radio station to another radio station near Bisano. Oh, now Mira just say polling station executive election say ekosi hu ne say obona ni na nsuo tatata adanya ya se ne bonni a waye nyina ne say ne bonni a waye nyina ne say wakwa kodi Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Agyapong achi bonni a waye anu no. Elections is about preference and choice. Elections is about preference and choice. Open nada me ankasa me fie sa me kasa me to aba ebia me woyere ne ma ebia me yere krampo ntoma me ba betima to ma me a preference and choice. But ye tuni nyina awia we go back to the drawing table. Nipa na ya to aba dia ma no we project the person NPP fo nko na ekwa kwato aba yet me di atema di persona na tem nipa no yet me di na tem di ne yire ne na busu afo nyina tem Kennedy camp Bawumia camp omu nyina ya fault ene obi ni bia na sai ena Bawumia yire kra wonya Ghana ni oye fulani ni no bia ka we ena Bawumia yire otimi top bag ye funny hems $350,000 won your mind ho no make kan we yo. People make a lot of serious allegations against the flag bearer ne yire coming from the camp of Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Agyapong kofo ombe dinna atem then the rebata so beba rebata na beba no come from Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia camp no so to be man Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Agyapong. Now me say if you look at all the videos of Kennedy etie nyina they are pussy Kennedy Kennedy otnasi din ya won't mean kasa the abrante ne kan no o se me ye miti so da na wo ya bie wuti so that statement alone papa no kwatnasi in a closet moment no tie sa video na wra ho ene ejo so go and look at the kind of confusion e de bentia ye se MP no e yo we fa Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Agyapong nipa eno ano no ye se mpainfo bi ene papa no kodi nkoma ane je tu mu se he is going to give his support to Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. You see, MPs by miensa ene kosia no omni ni di nkomo ene oje tum se or the campaign no ema Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia aboa ama MP petima are you not surprised? Adentu no be ye MP me ena ase me kan pempen wo se ni pempen de bentu no be ye MP ewo efidwaso kore no nkwa akoye MP dia mo mo we so I don't get it. Open nipa ba kuma I say Dabian he's trying to create a certain kind of confusion. If you just see MP, look at the kind of problems he's creating for them in Ejoso. Are you Afriyie? Doctor, are you Afriyie? Kwam tanko adam for no. I want to say it. Are you Afriyie? I don't know. Minim diasi. Nipa ba kwa minim. If you look at the MP no time no say den waye no. Woni Mahamadu Bawumia yere akwakọ piem we Ejoso. We say onye MP. Jesus Christ. So now some you can't hear it. Look at the kind of statements I will make it. Me say go and look at it. Why Ejoso MP. Or bad radio TV so will soon. Here, Kwabena Agyapong. Honorable. I'm telling you this. Kente wo ho. Here. Me the meeting we just no. Any the me hu no. Kwa ma first one we compilation of album dey to aba. Any no ma air course no. You are not happy with it. Register your displeasure. Register your displeasure. Enya time aba besu. Oba be make say da bi na obi anka bi mo obi a fight your own fight. Obi no o kan bi ama. Fight your own fight. Let them see how you are strong. Ah, see a tia. No be a catch or say or no Kwaku member of parliament. Edi amaso san kwarefo. Eric Opoku. Edi MP. Eno kwa asunafo north and south. No di MP no. No be a catch or so no mom. Any panel eben. E to no be take decision mom. Edi America Opoku. I would have yankopon. See a tia. No be dini MP on the baby. Say jabbing MP. No be a catch or so ko jabbing one Kwaku MP. Edi am jabbing for. Try it and see. Kwabena be bold. Be strong. Be bold and strong. When that time I saw Kasa Bebrewu, when you action work, where John Kuma did worse things in a Joso. John Kuma, he did worse things in a Joso. Dear Kosunano, Mahamadu Bawumia, any Kennedy camp fashions. Ukokumawa, the same thing. Ediabaya, Yasin Kofobu ha, no me pro Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Agyarko, and it's uncle for we don't need them in the NPP. And the Biamika. Sometimes the NPP goes into elections. The presidential candidate, and a lot of votes. Any member of parliament, as anytime we go for elections, nani pana or a presidential candidate, no, a lot of votes, any parliamentary candidate, I trust the person is not too popular. Do you know why? Parliamentary candidate, no. He sit and eat and dine and wine with them. Locality no one they know and know him well. Nipa na oya flag bearer na presidential candidates no. They know him from afar, from a distance. And when member say constituency no is your crowd. But some amount for kafan who projecting no. And mo ato abade ama no. Their man MPP scat and blast not door so bebrebe in their party. It's how they conduct their elections. Scat and blast no. They are doors to MPP. Oh, where's my tell me ho? Where's me call no post? Where's he say no? MPP party and yansa for party kwa obia na dwen so o ka bi obiantie. And that is affecting the new patriotic party. Hey, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, it is not about theoretical talking. Say bia wo yet theory. And and I see a can who bom hey. And you no correct. Where Brian Champon camp no, I can tell you authoritatively, some of them are not happy with Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. I'm telling you, me assembly me kabia me say assembly no kure bia ninsuro. Some of them are not happy. Aduchum camp no, some of them are not happy. Camp ba ko wait me catch us say omdo me too close to Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia camp no, engineer Kwabena Agyapong. E de bentia Kwabena Agyapong do no an ne ko na eba. Kennedy Campaign there, there's a serious confusion. Serious confusion. Ask yourself, why is Kennedy too quiet? For the peace and the interest of the party, we need everybody to come together. I want to ask one thing. Why is Kennedy Agyapong too quiet? Too quiet on this particular matter. He's not talking. After some two about ye, Kennedy Agyapong lose elections so do to toss me no. Why is he quiet? The MPP for more Kenyano practically is not working. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia is not working. Where Mahamadu Bawumia when you prepare, you call some people to order. Kennedy, you call some people to order. Some comments, it doesn't help the new patriotic party. It doesn't help the flag bearer. It doesn't help them. Oh, Hana we are kaway. Oh, Hana we are kaway. Oh, Hana. Hey, move for me up committee. And call for a belonging to a certain company fashion. You don't even tell them. You don't even announce it to them. More why so. Franco the hater, Brabaya communication team member. Boy, mentee yo. Emenya imagine. And the Kennedy, you never call jobs and employment. He knows nothing about it. The man will tell us, I know nothing about it. One kwayaswa, they create a certain kind of impression so in Bonini in a Kennedy on passum your hair. Open Pabako one new party, no one passum ya a Kennedy Agyapong. This is the kind of talking that is going outside. Bamiba another day. Before Sammy Baba had the weekly verity. If you look at the program's manager, he designed the program on a metanase. Or say, o Saturday no, ya close to won't mean Kobebia. So Betinya Kobebia is after 12. And this one is coming from management. You don't have a say or a choice. And you're doing a demo as a brabaye. As one make anything. So me permit mark as a minye. Me permit mark as a minye. But so far as I might just to some idea, it means you say if 12 o'clock could be the person you be a meeting. What am I trying to tell you? The person may catch on and say there should be an offer and acceptance. You make the offer to the person, then the person accepts it. So ask yourself, was Kennedy Agyapong consulted? You're consulting, and I am consulting. When in some air the NPP. Omon samo doso papa party ba ko mun pese me say omon samo doso Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia kasa doctor won ko fo ne didi atem no talk to them on ko fo ne didi atem they attack the persona yet me dini panatema dini yiri atem no talk to them. It's not just coming to the public podium. Talk to them. Correct a bit transparency ni bi atem rough do a man or atem. And after doing all this, one man one can be beyond fine. You want them to come into the picture to come and help you. It is not an easy task. And now the ketwa, we should not joke with it. The truth is a better pill. No cry about cope. And yeah, so Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia making this kind of statement. Not just making the statement, make another step. Okoni panis wo mie program wa kosan bra. Ni panis wo ntia sam na wo kana kona san bra. Because obi otimi control 25% in your political party, don't joke with them. As I make an doctor. Obi otimi control a certain kind of people in your party. So it means votes 2,000, 3,000, don't joke with that person. Okroma obi the less than 30,000 votes about the president Okroma John Evans Atamas time declaration. And it's for now. They are able to control and have influence on the party. You don't joke with them. On call for make a statement, be quiet. Tell them, hey, don't go there, Mr. Hodge, don't go there. You can talk about your matter. Obey the objectivity about by attacking the persona of the person. Mr. Don't go there. Or either say me jaw kwam what free in Chandiako. This is the kind of things I want for Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Obi wa boa wa party mu kra ka sam na ne nyaagye. Na ya temdidia. Catch hey, Mr. Don't go there. One don't go there. And they toss mienu. Mo bia hu se miemfa wudi hunhuna manfo wo kroma. Especially linked to the MPP. Party back home the persona hunhuna manfo is the MPP. Hey, adepoku buafu. Adepoku afre Franco. Wasi ja no nya wana. Ade asempo man eye no atebo amante constituency ho. Waka che so tumi nya adwuma. Eni mesraw ese okongu party executives no. Obohem so kra na e bia adepoku nka hwe. Adwumam etronic konkonsa ena director say ena director afreme ena director kra afreme wasi ontimi na ena Franco say dabi eni mesre and some na ekoso nyina no the NPP should sit down. They should be able to identify their needs and challenges. They should fight over and mere talking mere kasa mere meeting NPP people by saying say ena yenka humo dabi unity come with a step. Make that particular step for the party. Look for the kind of people no mere candidates no. A lot of bitterness and pains within them no. Iron your problem, solve it. Move the party forward. So MPP made my fun into my pediafra. These are the kind of things that we are talking about today. And mere talking.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.